Every year, the team at Roller Die partners with Santa and his elves to improve efficiency at the North Pole workshop. From tackling quality control to installing a solar power system to upgrading their warehouse, our team loves the chance to showcase what we do best, design and create custom roll-formed products for our clients. Artificial intelligence might be able to make our holiday fun ideas realistic, but it takes a real-life team of dedicated roll formers, quality control experts, shipping coordinators, and customer service representatives to create the tangible products our customers use. From stepping into trucks, to supporting hospital beds, to sitting in the cold while cheering on a favourite team, our clients make the products people use every day. So from everyone at Roller Die and everyone at the North Pole, we wish you happy holidays and a great new year.